Hey everyone, how you doing?
John has done wonderful consulting for a host of firms, Facebook, Uber, Lyft, Walmart.
My heart was warmed when Ryan told me that you're all taking a look at the book. Let's think about the DNA of an idea. 4 little behavioral economic secrets to live a better life or to execute. I was really fooled by society that quitting is bad. I never really appreciated culture and the value of culture until I lived through it. The gender pay gap, about how we should use our job advertisements to really set up a fair playing field from the beginning.
John is one of the biggest supporters of our economics reading group. He gave us his time today for free. And what's really cool about that is we're going to go ahead and take $2,000 and we're going to split it up between the 3 student questions today. And can we give John a big hand for all of it? Thank you for all the work you've done, not just the book. You're changing economics and you're making it more applied and practical.
Keep changing the world. Thanks, Ryan.